to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Investors funding startups look for key factors that point to the success of the business. Here are a list of key points the investor looks for in the startup. Successful track record of the team. Exits by the team are the most substantial proof. Key experiences of the team in solving the problem at hand. Strong relationships with key players in the market. Focused strategy for going to market. Strong communication skills by the CEO. Evidence of success with traction. Scalability of the business model. Some fit with the investor's skills and interests. Market validation shown by customers paying for the product. Product validation shown by the product working. Evidence of momentum in the business. A moat of some kind around the business. The more the elements you have in the deal, the more likely you are to raise funding. Make sure you include these points in your pitch to the investor. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.